this song Showers of Blessing. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops on us are falling, but for the showers we give. Now we have another lesson that is called tablature. That's called also tabs, guitar tab. So how it is? See, you know this is a fretboard. You know this is the fret numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These boxes are called frets, and we have a number for all the strings. String number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And everybody has a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tablature is through tablature we are able to play the lead, and what we're going to play is it shows exact note. Okay, so we have a 6 line here. So this is the first line at the very down bottom, but now here the first line will be at the very top. Okay, so first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the string number. You can say E, B, G, D, A, and E. 6 string, 6 lines. Now we're going to learn a song that's called Showers of Blessing. It's a very easy song, prayer song, and I'll just write here some numbers. 5, 5, 5, 7, 4, 5. Again 5, 4, 4, 4, 4. Then we can extend these lines. Then 5, 7, 5. Now this is tab number 1. We're going to make another tab, that is tab 2. So it's like T, A, and B. It starts like this. Okay, same 6 string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now 5, 7, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Then 4, 4, 4, 4, 7, 7, 5, and then because we have a lack of space, so I'll write here last one 3, 3, 0, 0, 2, 3. Now what is this? See, this is all single notes. These all things, these all numbers are called notes, single notes. But here when we have this is called whole chord. Okay, because all these things fingers going to combine, and this chord is the G chord. Okay, and this is the song is done. You can practice and you can learn. It's a very easy. That's called tab. Let's watch from the demo. And this is the last chord, that's called G. Okay, so we begin with the scales, and scales are here. If you must be knowing about the scales. Scales are sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, which is also called C D E F G A B. Okay, and these are called sat sur, seven notes. And so you can count sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa is repeated twice. So here it's when again you will see, when you hear sa again second time, that means octave change. That's a level of ladder, and it's on another stream. We have 7 notes, but apart from it, there is one more, which is called sharp and the flats. The symbol is like this. So we have C, then C sharp, D sharp, E do not have sharp, then F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B also do not have. So we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are the sharps. Now we can consider flats also. Flats is just before the main note, just before the main. For example, C. Then if we write C flat, that is equals to before C, what comes? That is B. C flat is equals to B. So just before the one note. If I write here D flat, that means it's a C sharp. Okay, hope you understand this series. So there are flats, and flat can be anywhere, B flat, A flat, G flat. So these are the sharp and the flats differentiations. Demo is here, and I am playing on one string, that's a string number 6, only bass string. This is one string. Now if I use all the strings, so it goes like this, using of all the 4 fingers. Once again. Coming back. Okay, so this is the note G, and that's sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sargam, sa re ga ma pa. Okay, now we have a rhythm sections here. In the earlier classes we learned a lot of rhythm sections, so it's like, if you remember, this is the note 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1. Now we have a continuous 1 2 1 2 down up down up, continuous. Okay, so there are various kinds of rhythm patterns, and you can develop your own style, that depends upon you. Okay, these are the rhythm section. Now, as you know, we have talked about the chords, and there are a lot of chords: C, F, G, then G, C, D, then D, G, A, Okay, so there are all of many chords, major chords, minor chords, bar chords, open chords, suspend, diminish. There are a lot of chords, so you need to find out and keep practicing. Also watch videos which has a chords, which has a pattern of playing, and everything depends upon your hard work and your practice.